guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a get ready with me. Guys, it's like 5:30 in the morning and I'm about to go on a trip, so I had to get up and get ready. I'm like, you know what, no, I'm gonna be filming. So today we're gonna be doing like a little chit chat, get ready with me, life update, because I know I've been gone since like Vlogmas, but all for good reasons. A little life update, just like where I've been, what I've been up to, what I got planned for this year, a little January, early February recap. I was gonna do my hair on camera, but I don't even know what I want to do with it. I washed it last night, so right now it's just like, but I don't want to be rambling because I'm gonna be talking throughout this video anyway, so let's just jump right into this video. So sorry that I look a little crazy. My hair is like drying and I'm low-key having a bad hair day, but we're just gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna start off with my brows. This is like high-key or drugstore products because I don't really do my makeup like that. I don't really know how to do makeup that well, honestly speaking. So, you know, your girl just be going with the flow. Whatever works for me in the moment is what works, okay? Guys, what have y'all been up to? Comment below what's been going on since your 2021 has started. Honestly, like my 2021 has been going pretty good. I mean, it's only the second month or whatever, but honestly, the way 2020 was going, I was pretty shook for this year. This is like my little, what is it? No makeup look. Y'all, I've been missing because I don't know, like going into this year, I really just had to focus up. I had to just get in tune with myself. Like the month of January, I took like a little detox. So I didn't do any social media. I wasn't eating certain foods. I wasn't drinking soda. I wasn't doing a lot of things that I normally would do. I was working out. I was reading books, like stuff that I always want to take time out to do. I actually did it for the month of January. So I put myself to the test and I'm like, you know what, no, because I really just needed like me time. I need to like get my life together. In that time I took time to like plan out what I want to do, like my goals for the year. And honestly, I feel like that really helped me a lot. Like it let me have a better outlook on this year. It made me like prepare myself mentally, physically, emotionally. Because I don't know if you guys watched my 10 tips for anxiety. If you didn't, go watch that video. But yeah, I just had to like get into my mental and stop being so flustered. Like that little month detox that I did in the beginning of this year in January honestly made me less anxious. I was just really chilling. I was just like getting in tune with myself, like I said, getting to know myself better, learning more about myself. I just had to get in tune with myself, okay? Take time out for myself. So that's what I did. I set that goal for the month of January to take time out for myself. And I'm so happy that I did it because I felt more spiritually aligned and all of that. Like, it was definitely worth it. I'm just gonna conceal my brows. Concealer from the beauty supply store. I actually got this one day because I really needed LA Pro concealer because I've been using that because that concealer is bomb diggity. And it didn't have any. And then I peeped that they had the same exact shade fawn. So I'm like, let me try it. And honestly, it's really good. Like, it's definitely a good alternative. It's like $1 cheaper than LA Pro concealer. I'm gonna conceal my brows with this. So I had to just set some goals for myself, and that's really why I haven't been on YouTube, because I just wanted to get myself together. I didn't want to be filming and not feeling it. And honestly, I can say I'm back and I'm better. Yay. So that's all that matters. Sometimes you just have to pause for a second, breathe, think, reevaluate. You know what's so crazy? I just learned how to fake do my eyebrows like ending of last year. I never used to be able to do eyebrows, and I used to be so mad because I just felt like my makeup didn't look complete without brows. Honestly, I just kept practicing because I'm not somebody that likes bold makeup for real, unless I'm going somewhere, like unless it's like an event or something, a special event. And even then, I'm gonna pay for somebody to do my makeup because there's just some people that just don't have the gift to do makeup. Like, it is what it is. Everybody is not a makeup artist. I know enough makeup to do my own, but I would never ever play myself and try to do somebody else's or try to do like bold makeup looks. Like, well, special effects makeup is kind of different. Like, I took a class for that in college and it was fun because like you could get crazy with it and it won't look crazy because it's supposed to look crazy, if that makes sense. But when it comes to like regular makeup, no honey, I would not even attempt to. do a crazy makeup look because why even play yourself, girl? Just pay somebody to do it. That's my mood. Guys, I have a lot of stuff coming up on this channel, but that's another goal that I set for myself. I'm not even trying to like even talk about it this year. I'm gonna just do it. Do it! I'm not telling nobody my goals for this year. I'm gonna just do it. Just do it! And it's okay to be excited and like, you know, passionate about it, but I don't know, for me, when I was talking to people about my goals, and maybe I wasn't talking to people that had the best interest, they were like, I don't know, I feel like people was praying on my downfall for real. Like, I don't know, but basically I'm saying all of this to say, I'm not even about to tell y'all, you feel me? Y'all just gonna see it. But I will tell you that I will be more consistent on YouTube this year because I'm not here to play no more, okay? Like, I got a planner this year. I've been writing everything down, like legit everything. Bro, everything. When I tell you everything, stupid stuff sometimes, but you feel me, it makes me feel better to write it down and to check it off once I complete it. If that's gonna make me more motivated, then guess what, I'm gonna do it, period. I would say if you got big plans this year, get a planner, write it down. And I'm telling you, like, little things like work out today or drink water today or read a book, read a few chapters in a book. When you, at the end of the day, when you make goals for yourself and you see them through and complete them, you feel so much better about yourself. It might be small to some people. If it's big to you or it means something to you, do it. We're gonna color correct the orange LA Pro concealer. It eliminates dark circles, and I feel like I have dark circles under my eyes, even though every time I say that to people, they be like, where's your dark circles? I don't see it. Like, just because you don't see it don't mean I don't see it. It's my face, so. And we're gonna blend that out with our beauty blender. I'm actually gonna be doing my makeup in less time today because I already have on lashes, and for me, lashes take up the most time. That's done, and now I'm gonna go in my LA Pro concealer, and I had to get a new one. Yeah. Am I the only one that is so satisfying when you have a new concealer with that white tip? Because you're never gonna see it again after this. But this is in the color Fawn, the shade Fawn. I only use concealer for my everyday routine. I don't wear foundation because, I don't know, I just feel like sometimes it's not really necessary unless I want like super full coverage. And right now, I'm just doing like a quick beat, so we don't need that. But now we're just gonna blend this in. It's just so satisfying to me. Like, I know I look crazy, but it's just so satisfying to me to see all the makeup on my face before I blend it. Call me a weirdo. Do you see that? Wow. I said wow. When that Justin LA Boy page was going viral, I said wow. Like, quarantine really made a lot of things a thing. It's pretty funny. Beginning of quarantine was a vibe. Like, everybody was just having fun on social media, getting crazy, wilding.
Put your pussy lips on live, I'll give you $1,000.
It was just wilding. I would go back to that point in time in quarantine. Like, I wouldn't want to do quarantine over again, period. But that was pretty funny. Wow. Flawless. You guys see that? Like, am I bugging? I like a little highlight, so I'm going in with a little yellow one. Little yellow, literally light yellow corrector. That's it. That is all. So tell me, guys, tell me some of your like goals for this year, what you've been up to. Like, let me know in the comments below. Like, let's really talk about it. Like, short term, like, you know, you have short-term goals and long-term goals. Like, long-term goals being 1 to 3 years, no, 3 to 5 years, and then short-term goals being like a week or 3 months, 6 months, like that. I just really had to like talk to myself these last like 3 weeks and just realize, like, girl, everything is not, little things are not the end of the world. You better pick yourself back up. You can complain about it in the moment, but after a while, it's like, what are you gonna do to change it? It is what it is. What are you gonna do to to change it. You're gonna sit around and complain about it, or you're gonna do something. And I refuse to just sit around and complain about it. You can complain about it for a little bit, you know, cool, whatever. Things happen, but that's what you're not about to do, sis. You're not about to just be tight, like, no. I'm gonna go in with my airspun translucent powder. For that, I'm gonna add some eyeliner and some mascara, maybe a little bit of highlight, and your girl is done. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit while I put on my eyeliner and my mascara. So I added my eyeliner, but why I didn't tell me I didn't put my eyeshadow on? I totally forgot about that. I'm just going in with my Naked palette, the Smokey. Yeah, oh sorry, I have it upside down. But it's the Smokey palette from Urban Decay. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of whiskey and combus. Mostly combus though. Combus. I don't know.
Bruh.
Then I'm gonna go in with High and Dirty Sweet in my tear duct. And it's so crazy to me because if you know, you know. If you went to high school with me, I've been doing this tear duct stuff. Like, I've always loved that like little look. Like, seriously, I just think it's so cute. Like, it's just so cute to me. In high school, I used to be doing like bright silver and blue because those are like my school colors, and I was on the cheerleading team. So if I ever had some blue or silver or white in my tear duct, ghetto. Nah, sometimes it looks super cute, but you know, you can't just do too much. I used to be doing too much. All right, now let's wipe off this powder. I'm about to go in with some mascara and some highlight, and then your girl will be done. So give me 2 seconds. So this is the final look. This is my little natural everyday beats going on or whatever. Try to do a little something cute with my hair. I don't know if I'm feeling it just yet, but the curls are looking pretty decent, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, I'm gonna add a gloss, a brown gloss, but I'm about to eat, so I'm gonna do that after I eat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little chit chat, get ready with me. I'm sorry if I was chatting or if I wasn't talking enough. I don't know, but this is my little life update. Your girl is good, I'm doing fine, all is well. Sorry this video is a little chaotic. You already know me, my life is chaotic, so my videos are chaotic. I'll link my products that I use in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my upcoming videos because I am gonna be way more consistent on YouTube this year, so just know that, okay? Leave a comment below, tell me what you're up to, like what are your goals this year, or what have you done so far already? Let me know down below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe because I will be posting the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video.